How to log in Amazon account. Here is a simple step-by-step guide to log into your Amazon account on any device. So let's get started. Firstly, use a modern browser as your preferences such as Google Chrome, Firefox, Microsoft Edge or Safari. Now once you are there, simply type down on the search address bar the Amazon. Then there you can see Amazon official website option available. Tap on it and go to the www.amazon.com. Now, look at the sign in button at the top right corner of the Amazon page in the blue highlighted box. Simply tap on it and you'll be navigated to the sign in page. Now here enter your registered Amazon account email or phone number, then tap on the continue option available there. Then type your Amazon password in the password field and click sign in. If two-step verification is enabled, enter the code sent to your registered phone number or email, and once logged in, you can browse products, manage orders, or adjust account settings. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.